Hi everyone, welcome to Code Sci-Fi. In the previous tutorials, we have learned how to let users create some customized posts with validation, but anyone can create a new post without logging into the app. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Firebase-Off to handle user registration and signing in or signing out of the app. Firebase is a developer platform that provides lots of powerful tools for developers to quickly create web or mobile apps, such as real-time database, authentication, analytics, etc. To use Firebase, add the dependencies into our project. Go ahead and add Angular Fire 2/auth and Angular Fire 2/database. In the list of imports, add Angular Fire module initialize app with the environment.firebase. You will see some error because it does not know what environment is. We will add a new file called environment under a folder named environment and import it in here. The file is basically the configuration of your Firebase project, so it can hook up the services like real-time database based on the API key, project ID, etc. So where can we find that information? Go to the Firebase website firebase.google.com and create a new project. Here I'm creating an app called Let It, which has no meaning because I'm bad at naming apps and it has just popped out in my head. Click on this button to get the project information. You can see that it contains all the data that the environment file needs. Copy the configuration and paste into the environment file. There we go. So we have set up the project with Firebase. We will talk a bit about the Firebase real-time database. Data is stored as JSON and synchronized in real time to every connected client. All of your clients share one real-time database instance and automatically receive updates with the newest data. I can show you a bit of what it can do. Let's create some testing data here. Before reading the data, you need to set the permission. The default permission for reading and writing is for signed-in users only. Since this is for demonstrating purpose, I'll set it to be accessible to anyone by just setting read to true. This is not recommended, since anyone can read all of your data under the root node. You should create more granular permission depending on the app structure, so that no one can read or write into your database without permission. Now we can try to query the data from the database using the REST API. I'll demonstrate using Postman. The URL is your app project URL / the name of the node JSON. For example, here we have testing.json and you can see the response is blah, which is from the database. If I change testing.json to greeting.json, it will return the value or children of the greeting node. If I change the value of greeting from hello to hi, it will propagate the value to all of the clients that are listening to the node. Let's query the value again, and you can see the response becomes hi now. That's it for today. We will learn how to use Firebase-Off in the next tutorial.